In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display recent posts with a widget in WordPress. This is a great way to keep your website visitors engaged by showcasing fresh and relevant content right on your page or post. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we need to edit the post or page where you'd like to display your recent posts. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and find the specific post or page you have in mind. Once you're there, click on Edit to open up the WordPress editor. This is where the magic begins. Next, we want to add a new block to the page or post, and this is where we'll place our Recent Posts widget. In your WordPress editor, look for that small plus icon, usually hovering above or at the side of your content. Give it a click. This will open up the blocks library, where you can search for various types of content blocks available in WordPress. Here is where you should search for the Latest Posts block. Simply type Latest Posts into the search bar, and as soon as it pops up, click to add it to your page. You'll see it populate with recent posts from your blog, which might not seem very special yet, but now is where you can start customizing it to better fit your needs. Let's take a moment to customize the settings of this block. One important option you have is to specify how many recent posts you'd like to show. Depending on your blog's activity or your preferences, this could be a handful or a more extensive list. Just enter the number that suits you best. Additionally, you might want to show the date of each post. If so, simply toggle the setting that allows you to display the post date. Similarly, consider whether showing the author of each post is appropriate for your page. There's a toggle here too that lets you add that element, creating more context and engagement for your site's visitors. If your posts have captivating images, you might want to enable the display of featured images. This option brings a visual appeal to your recent posts list, making it not only informative but also visually engaging for anyone browsing through your content. Once you've made all these adjustments and have set everything up to your liking, don't forget the very crucial step of saving your changes. You'll find an Update button. Go ahead and give that a click. This action ensures all those changes you've carefully implemented are saved, and that your page or post now proudly displays a customized assortment of recent content for everyone to enjoy. There you have it. That's how you can keep your WordPress site looking fresh and dynamic by showcasing your latest posts. It's an incredibly effective approach to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.